Today, we're replacing a rusty iron fence. First, we'll dismantle the block wall. Our trusted Bosch tools are hard at work for the demolition. Today's workwear is Shimano fishing gear, Gore-Tex. It's perfect for cold, windy days. Just be careful not to tear it. We'll start by cutting the iron fence with a reciprocating saw.
これって抜けるのかな？切らずにね。
あ、抜けそう。
抜けるな。
うん。
The dismantling went smoothly. The fence post came out easily.
Yaba.
なんかめっちゃブロックが揺れた。あ。
何これ？
The block wall was just placed on the
撤去
ground.
するんだよねこれ。
いや撤去するけど。
全然何にも。
I'm surprised it stayed intact this long. This time, we're only removing the block wall between the fences. The new fence will be installed in a straight line. The rust is really something.
Aと3個。
The rust dirtied the road. We'll use a new tool. Makita cordless vacuum 40V Max with wireless connectivity. It's the apprentice's first hands-on training with the wireless vacuum. I'm excited to see what kind of performance this cordless vacuum will show. It has modest suction power. I set it from low to high. It's a bit underwhelming. Is this all the potential the Makita vacuum has? I also found that the battery drains quickly. The fully charged battery was depleted in just a few minutes. We'll borrow some electricity from the client's house. But there's no power outlet outside. We're charging the Makita battery with a portable battery. Secret technique: Transferring electricity. Makita cordless disc grinder, 40 Vmax 100 mm. We're attaching the accessory to connect the grinder to the vacuum. We'll cut the mortar joints of the decorative blocks with the grinder. This doesn't suck up anything at all. It's not great. It consumes power but doesn't suck up dust. This cordless vacuum has depleted its second battery as well. The new vacuum's appetite for power is too much for the portable battery. The vacuum works well in sucking up concrete dust during deep cuts with the grinder. Since there was rebar, it didn't break cleanly. Makita cordless hammer drill, 18V.
マジで
Oh, it seems there was no rebar in this one. This block is heavy, so be careful with your back. Kaz, who's been slacking on strength training lately, are you okay? Makita electronic disc grinder, 180. We're removing the safety cover from the grinder and cutting deeply. Don't try this at home. Looking for rebar. If you don't cut the rebar correctly, the existing block will be damaged. Now it's time for the reciprocating saw. We cut just the rebar precisely. Impressive. Now we can easily remove the block. The concrete top is uneven. I can't find my protective glasses. I'll use a clear file, A4 instead. It also prevents dust, so it might actually be better. I borrowed a diamond core drill from the tool shop.
この子はコアドリルっていうやつですね。はい。
We'll use this to drill holes for the fence posts. I tried to make a stand to stabilize the core drill on the block, but it didn't work well. Is this the right way to use it? Suddenly, memories of summer come back. But this is reality.
この状態で200以下のかな。
そんなに掘るんだね。
I was able to drill holes in the block easily. Kaz is looking cool, but the hose connection is wrong, so it looks a bit awkward. We attach the fence posts to the holes we drilled. Makita cordless mixer 18V. Pour the frappuccino into a coffee cup. Insert a metal straw. It feels like Starbucks. Temporarily fix the posts with wedges. High Koku cordless air duster. Stretch a string line between the posts to check the level. Using this string line as a reference, we'll install the posts in between. I noticed that the existing block wall isn't straight. I want to position the posts about 3 mm inward. Since the posts have set in the mortar, we'll install the fence. Finally, we need to install the fence. Makita cordless circular saw. 40 V Max, 125 mm. Makita cordless impact driver, 18V. We'll drill pilot holes to attach the caps to the fence, which is quite a hassle. Attach the end caps. The fence installation is complete. It's a bit crooked. Thank you for watching.
お疲れ様でした。
お疲れ様です。